Let's go back from web development to the content of this course. This is a very long course, obviously, and taking such a course is a great first step. But then seeing this huge amount of content, this huge amount of hours to finish, can be a bit overwhelming. And based on our experience, well, it's also hard to keep the motivation to really finish a course. We want you to finish this course though. We want you to become a web developer. And for this course was built to be done within 100 days. Now, this sounds a bit strange maybe at first sight, but we also built this page right here. Link can be found attached to the video. And on this page, you can find the Start Your 100-Day Challenge button. If we have a look at this page here and scroll down a bit, then you see that we divided this course into easy to digest pieces of only 1 hour, roundabout 1 hour per day for 100 days in a row. You can find this daily overview, so to say, or this daily allocation of the lectures to be consumed here on this website and also on the actual course curriculum page. But the idea is that you commit yourself to invest 1 hour per day into this course, into becoming a web developer, and with this, after 100 days, you have finished this course and you are a web developer. You can also download a PDF here with this download button, which you can then use as a printed out reference, for example, to tick the completed lectures if you want to. To even further increase your motivation, you can also share your progress with others. If you share the 100 Days of Code hashtag on Twitter or other social media platforms, every day you are part of this challenge. So after every day you invested into this course, you quickly share what you achieved, what you built, and so on. Then this not only motivates yourself, but it also motivates others who might be part of this challenge, well, to continue with the challenge or to become part of this challenge. And again, this emphasizes this community approach actually. Together, we can finish this course and you and all the other students can become web developers. In case this 100 days of code thing is not your right approach for the course, you can of course take this course just as any other online on-demand video course, so you can just start, stop or continue whenever you want with certain modules or lectures. Or if you are a more experienced developer with some prior knowledge already, then you can dive into the course at later stages or also only dive into selected modules of interest. For such experienced developers, we also have a separate section on this page, which you can find in the Explore Alternative Course Paths section. If you dive into this section, down here you can find it, the path for experienced developers, and there scroll down a little bit further. Then you can find some general recommended entry points, but our recommendation would be to dive into the curriculum on your own and then find your own entry points. So this is the 100 Days of Code Challenge and also some other options on how to take this course. With this, we are almost ready to start with the course. There are only just some more things that we would like to share with you before we finally really get started.